Good morning, everyone. I'm taking this video. These are really my old bird hens. Now, these hens are some of the pigeons that I'm going to be flying this coming old bird season. And what I'd like to do in future videos is take these hens and put them out one or two at a time and identify them by band number and let you pick what pigeon you think is going to be the overall pigeon that flies to this loft. So take a good look. These are the old hens. My young birds are flying right now, so I can't show you them. But they will be yearlings this coming season, and I will be putting them out too. So I think it'll be a fun thing to do, where you can look at the birds by sight. I'm not going to tell you what they are or what they're down from, nothing at all. And let you look at the bird and see how good your eye is. Just by looking at a bird on a video, see if you could determine what pigeon's going to be clocking. So again, take your time, look closely now. I will be putting them out, identifying them by band number, and letting you pick. There's one other thing I'd like to show you before I close this video out. My wife doesn't really like the plaques hanging in the house. So I took them out and I hung them on the loft door. And I thought I'd take a nice slow video of them. See some of the things that I won in the past. That's when I was willing to go down the road and train the birds. But something I don't like to do anymore. It's too much work. And here's a couple more. Again, I'm taking this with a tablet. I have no idea how it's going to come out. I hate that the audio is low, but it's low, and it is what it is. Okay, again, that's it.